Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon to you, good evening, depending on the time that you are watching this video. I am today driving here in Mandeville, taking here the Carter Road because I am going to go to a garage. This is called Byron's garage, and I'm taking the car right there. So let's see. Let's do a little checkup. We are driving. Today is a beautiful morning, very sunny. It's very bright, 27 degrees Celsius. And probably we'll be expecting rain today, maybe. It's possible this afternoon, but for now we are enjoying the sunlight. Here is very warm. Yes, this is the Carter Road. And I hope that you have been enjoying the other videos that we have been posting during this week. We have been posting other videos, long one that we went to Linstead, and we are going to get another one coming from that direction as well. This morning the traffic is not that much here on this road. Just to tell you, there is no traffic really. I see some students here walking, students from Bellier High School. There is not much traffic at this hour of the morning. What time is it? You can check the time right now, but it's around 9 something. We are passing here by Bellier High School. Oh, now I found the traffic. Oh, we are close to our destination. Passing here Clover Drive. We have another video if you want to see it. We enter right here. So if you want to watch that one, you can watch it in the link above. What happened to my pronunciation? You know, English is not my first language, so you will hear sometimes I make some mistakes, so forgive me for that. English is not my first language. My first language is Spanish. So if you ask me to speak in Spanish, you are going to be a fluent man. So don't laugh when I am speaking English, alright? Okay, let's see. Today Fesco had the gas 94 130 and 90. That's their price for today. And 87 is 125.90. They keep the prices in different corners, so all the intersections, so you cannot miss it. Alright, this is the Carter Road, as I was mentioning earlier. And this road, if you continue straight, you will go to Royal Flat, and when this road finishes, you will be right at the runabout by Williamsville, and you take the right to continue to, if you are going to Kingston. So this is the way to exit to Kingston. We are taking here the left to Caledonia Road, and this place where I'm coming is coming right here. Right here, and we're here. This is Byron's garage, and let's hope we can get good service today. But you are okay, and thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Remember, thumbs up as we continue updating you in Cowboys Mandeville. Bye bye. Bye. Remember to subscribe, alright?